Chiliz value equivalent to $0.0747 a coin. The present exchange cost range $0.0741 to $0.0761. The earlier day close at $0.0748. The change was 0.001, 0.13%. Opposite rate, ICE to CHC. Dollar to Chiliz estimate for October 2024. To start with, cost at 33.333 coins. Exorbitant cost 33.333, while low 27.027. They found the middle value of cost 30.566. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 28.571. Change for October 14.3%. US to CHZ expectation for November 2024. To start with, cost at 28.571 coins. Exorbitant cost 37.037, while low 28.571. They found the middle value of cost 32.166. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 34.483. Change for November 20th, 7%. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture for December 2024. At the outset, cost at 34.483 coins. Excessive cost 37.037, while low 32.258. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 34.565. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 34.483. Change for December 0.0%. US to CHZ expectation for January 2025. In the first place, cost at 34.483 coins. Exorbitant cost 34.483, while low 27.778. They found the middle value of cost 31.539. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 29.412. Change for January 14.7%. Dollar to Chiliz gauge for February 2025. First and foremost, cost at 29.412 coins. Exorbitant cost 29.412, while low 23.810. They found the middle value of cost 27.069. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 25.641. Change for February 12.8%. US to CHZ expectation for Walk 2025. First and foremost, cost at 25.641 coins. Exorbitant cost 25.641, while low 20.833. They found the middle value of cost 23.584. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 22.222. Change for spring 13.3%. Dollar to Chiliz figure for April 2025. Before all else, cost at 22.222 coins. Excessive cost 22.222, while low 19.231. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 21.021. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 20.408. Change for April 8.2%. US to CHZ expectation for May 2025. Initially cost at 20.408 coins. Excessive cost 20.408, while low 17.544. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 19.307. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 18.868. Change for May 7.5%. Dollar to Chiliz figure for June 2025. In the first place, cost at 18.868 coins. Exorbitant cost 20.000, while low 17.241. They found the middle value of cost 18.657. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 18.519. Change for June 1.8%. US to CHZ expectation for July 2025. In the first place, cost at 18.519 coins. Exorbitant cost 19.231, while low 16.667. They found the middle value of cost 18.069. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 17.857. Change for July 3.6%. Dollar to Chiliz estimate for August 2025. First and foremost, cost at 17.857 coins. Exorbitant cost 18.868, while low 16.393. They found the middle value of cost 17.666. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 17.544. Change for August 1.8%. US to CHZ expectation for September 2025. To start with, cost at 17.544 coins. Exorbitant cost 18.182, while low 15.873. The found the middle value of cost 17.137. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 16.949. Change for September 3.4%. Dollar to Chilliz estimate for October 2025. To start with, cost at 16.949 coins. Excessive cost 17.544, while low 15.385. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 16.568. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 16.393. Change for October 3.3%. US to CHZ expectation for November 2025. At the outset, cost at 16.393 coins. Excessive cost 16.667, while low 14.706. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 15.848. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 15.625. Change for November 4.7%. Dollar to Chiliz estimate for December 2025. First and foremost, cost at 15.625 coins. Excessive cost 18.182, while low 15.625. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 16.595. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 16.949. Change for December 8th, 5%. US to CHZ expectation for January 2026. Before all else, cost at 16.949 coins. Excessive cost 18.519, while low 16.129. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 17.210. The US to CHZ figured toward the month's end 17.241. Change for January 1st, 7%. Dollar to Chiliz figure for February 2026. Initially cost at 17.241 coins. Exorbitant cost 17.241, while low 13.889. The found the middle value of cost 15.824. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 14.925. Change for February 13.4%. US to CHZ expectation for Walk 2026. In the first place, cost at 14.925 coins. Exorbitant cost 19.231, while low 14.925. The found the middle value of cost 16.735. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 17.857. Change for spring 19.6%. Dollar to Chiliz gauge for April 2026. In the first place, cost at 17.857 coins. Exorbitant cost 22.727, while low 17.857. The found the middle value of cost 19.930. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 21.277. Change for April 19th, 2%.